Morning, sir. Today my presentation will be how explanation of community property of addition. Today we'll be explaining how you do community property. Let's start. For this section is what the teacher gave us, and the second section is what I have for my explanation. Let's start. Example 1 is 4 plus 2 equals to 2 plus 4. 4 plus 2 will give you a such amount if you add them together. If you put it the opposite side, it will still give you the same answer because it will be the same number that it was in first one. The second one, explanation 2. The teacher gave us 3 plus 8 plus 2. That will be 8 plus 2 plus 3. So here the teacher gave us three numbers. For we will add 8, 3 plus 8 plus 2, it will give us the such amount. If we put it mixed up but the same number, it will give us the same amount of numbers that will give us. So anyway you put it, it will be the same answer. Community property. Here where the community property looks like in algebra. So in the second one, the third one, the teacher gave us a plus b equals to b plus 4. Means a number, let's say that he gave us 4 plus 3 equals to 7. So we will put 4 in A, 3 in B. It will give us 7. But if we mix it up and we put the opposite for 4, let's start with 3 plus 4. If we put the same answer, it will give us the same amount of number. It will be 7. So anyway you put it, it will be the same amount of the same answer that it was in the first one. Now that was the teacher's examples that he gave us. Now we will go to my example. For my example, I put 9 plus 10 equals to 19. So for example, I put 10 in first plus 9. I put 10 crosses over here to represent 10, and I put 9 crosses to represent 9, and I add it all together. It gives me 19, and I put 19 crosses so that represent 19. In the other hand, I mixed it up and put 9 first and plus 10 in last. So it is same as the first one. So I put 9 crosses to represent 10. 9 to represent 9. I put 10 crosses to represent 10, and I add them together. It gives me 19, and I put 19 crosses so that it represent AM 19. I have one more example. I have 8 plus 5 equals to 8, 5 plus 8. So in the first one I put 8 in first plus 5 in and 5 in last. So I put the same sticks. I put 8 crosses to represent 8, and I put 5 crosses to represent 5, and I add them together. It gives me 13, and then I put 13 crosses to represent 13. And now did the opposite. I put 5 plus